my Self-Reliant peeps. Welcome back to Self-Reliant Old Lady. Glenn's not here yet, so I'm going to go ahead and start sanding the spackle that we put up a couple days ago. And then, if he's not here yet, I'm going to go ahead and paint it. With these short arms, it's a little difficult. Get in here. Cheetos on the wall. You're slightly off there.
Well, from that line, there's another line there.
But if you want this, your thing to hit, I would move it over. So you're gonna hit. You know what I mean? You're gonna hit your.
I'm gonna hit the places where I need to
Now
hit.
here, I don't think you'll hit.
What's that?
But there you'll hit.
Hold on. You see, am I gonna clear?
You cleared it, barely.
Barely.
We didn't think about that, did we?
Nope, I didn't think about it. I thought about it yesterday.
Oh, good for you. I didn't even think about it until I would have turned it on and it would hit. What are you looking for now?
I'm looking for the drill.
Okay. All right, let me get under there.
Let's see.
All right, you're even.
I'm gonna help
I
you.
got it.
I'm sorry, Nancy. And the worst that is, I'm hoping.
Well, sounds like you hit it.
Yeah. Okay.
You hit it.
Okay. Are you still holding?
I'm still holding.
Okay, can you let it go?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Am I lined
Hold
up?
up.
Am I lined up?
Come over a little bit to the right. Right there. Listen, you're going to have to get right to the edge. Because here's where the,
Right there.
you know, right against here. So you're going to, what is that, a ½ inch? It'll be almost right beside the wall. Or right beside the side of your. You hit. Oh, there. Okay.
It's saying there's something there, but I don't know whether it's a stud or not. That's the thing with that. The other one This guy.
There's your mark. And that's where the stud.
No, that's where the cabinet is.
Yeah, I understand, but there's, see where your mark is? That's the middle of let's say is a stud. So if you go in like this at an angle, you'll hit it. There's a bit.
Okay. Go ahead, Elizabeth, you can put it in.
I hit it.
Oh, good.
And put the run up at the top too.
All right.
How's that sound?
Okay.
Just have to remember where Okay. It's another hit. Alright, Glenn. That's not coming down now. I don't know that it would have come down before, but I just had picked visions of the mother and children, you know.
I don't think it was going to come down Nancy. But
You're probably
Two.
right.
2.5 inches worth of, here, why don't you fill those holes with your finger.
Just when you think you're done, you have another hole to repair. That dry? Way in your way. Glenn's putting up the electrical for the microwave that goes under the cabinet, and I'm waiting for my